Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and Amazon's got a sale going on called the Big Spring Sale. It's about 32 hours left in it, and it's some pretty cool deals. You can look for everything for fashion, home, beauty, travel, whatever it might be, but we're going to be focusing on some tech products that I want to just call out. There's plenty of different options out there that you can choose from, but the DJI Osmo Action 4 combo camera setup is pretty cool for 209. I also like the Instacam or Insta360 cam solutions that are available at a discount right now. Then we got the GoPro Hero 13 for around 329. Wish it would be a little bit lower, but that's about an 18% savings. Whereas the DJI Osmo Action 4 is about 30% savings. Then we got 50-inch screen TVs from Insignia. Know a lot of people are either doing 55 or 65, but 189 bucks for a 4K TV is not bad in today's market. Then you got the Hennessy, and I might said that incorrectly. Not Hennessy as an alcohol, but Hisense 55-inch HDR 10 plus, 259 bucks. Not a bad option as well. And then for good like monitors for your computer, around $200, almost 40% savings, 39% exactly. 199 for the Samsung 32-inch Odyssey G55C series. Storage solutions, there's some better options out there, but I'm just going to highlight the Predator M.2. You got the 2 terabyte GM 7000 for around 112 bucks for 2 terabytes. And then if you want even more storage capabilities on your M.2 storage solution, the Samsung 990 Pro 4 terabytes is under $300 right now. Without the heatsink, of course, if you add the heatsink or if you don't want 4 terabytes, you can go a little bit small, like 2 terabytes. But if you're going to be spending close to 200 bucks on this thing, you might as well see if you can afford the 4 terabyte. But that's up to you. Then gaming laptops, I certainly like Asus's products. I don't like their support, but the Lenovo Legion 5i, got a Core, Intel 14900HX and a 4070, 32 gigabytes memory, 512 gigabyte SSD standard. You can easily upgrade that or add additional storage. Perfectly capable laptop for under 1500, sitting right now around 1399. Then a external storage solution with 4 terabytes for around 279. Of course, it doesn't have the read and write speeds as an internal solution like an M.2 connected to your laptop or your desktop. But if you're a content creator always on the go and need those fast speeds and access for data or rendering or whatever you need to do, the Samsung T9 Portable can be an option for you if you are looking for that. Again, not all of these solutions will work for everybody, but I just want to highlight a few items in this video. Last but not least, mini PCs. Love those things. We're looking at the GMK Tech gaming PC. So it's got a Ryzen 8945HS, 32 gigabytes DDR5, 1 terabyte of storage. It's got a dual 2.5 gig NIC, HDMI display port, USB ports, as Type A and Type C, both on front and back. And it allows you to connect the Oculus or OcuLink PCIe 4.0 by 4 in the front. But that's going to be around $599, whereas the B-Link Sur 8 mini PC has the 8745HS CPU from AMD. 32 gigabytes of memory once again. You can upgrade these, by the way, if you wanted to. It's only DDR5 5600, but you can upgrade them. 1 terabyte of PCIe storage, and then it has an AMD Radeon 780M or mobile graphics card. 12 cores, perfectly capable. It's under 500 bucks. It's 499 right now, and if that's a little bit too much, you could always go for the next one down, which is 22% off at 279. But you're gonna drop your core count, the amount of memory, and the amount of storage available to you. But some of these items are available on Amazon Big Spring Sale. Check it out. Link is in the description. I just want to share a few of them with you.